Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to crochet lace flower with the help of lace yarn. It's very simple video. In this pattern we have used double treble crochet, double crochet and single crochet. Before we are starting our video, if you think I am speaking very slowly, you can increase the speed of video in setting. Come, let's start our video. I have used 2.5mm hook and lace yarn. All the basics video we have seen in our channel. If you are new to crochet or new to our channel, please go and check out the video. We'll begin with magical circle. Round 1, we are going to crochet double crochet together. For that, begin with chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as one double crochet. Next, one double crochet. This is our first double crochet together. After completing one double crochet together, now crochet chain 4. Now again double crochet together. Completed our second double crochet together. Now again repeat chain 4. We are going to repeat this throughout this round. Double crochet together, chain 4, double crochet together. Like this we will get 5 double crochet together in this round. After completing this round, insert the hook on the first double crochet together and split stitch. That's all, we completed our round 1. Now just slightly pull this tail like this. That's all, we closed our magical circle. From here we are going to begin round 2. For round 2 we are going to work only in this chain 4 space, so that inside the hook on chain 4 space and crochet one single crochet, chain 6, after chain 6, one double treble crochet, next one treble crochet, next one double crochet, next one treble crochet, next one double treble crochet, Next, chain 6. After chain 6, 1 single crochet. That's all. We're going to repeat this step in each and every chain 4 space. Now the second chain 4 space will again repeat this step. Insert the hook and begin with single crochet, chain 6. After chain 6, 1 double treble crochet, after double treble crochet, 1 treble crochet, after treble crochet, 1 double crochet, after double crochet, 1 treble crochet, after treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, chain 6, one single crochet, repeat this step all over this round. After filling each and every chain 4 space, now fasten off. Chain 1, leave some yarn, cut, pull this yarn out, chain downwards. That's all. Okay, the magical circle will get loosened. For that, just pull this tail. Again, is get closed. Now we will sieve all this excess yarn with the help of tapestry needle backward. We have completed our lace flower with the help of lace yarn. You can attach this lace flower in your sweater, purse, on any other your project. With your imagination, you can change the color of yarn and crochet this lace flower. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. If you have any kind of doubt or you want to learn any other stitches, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.